Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's episode in the JDA 5 series, I'll be showing you how to make a math command. And the reason we're going to make this math command is because we're going to look at how to use options and how to use choices. So to get started, head over to your commands directory, pings command, and you create a command called math command. And in here, as we usually do with as we did with our ping command, let me just fix the name quickly. So math command, we're just going to implement i/command, i/command, and now we're going to implement the method. So we're just going to do up here to get options. Last time we never had get options, so the reason we're going to do that is because we need the options. So now to get started, we're going to have a list.of, and in here we're going to have, one second, open our list, and in here we're going to have the option data for the operations that we're going to allow. So new option data. In here we're going to do option type, boolean string, and in here we're going to call this the operation want to be performed, and then we're going to set true, meaning that when the user on Discord calls a command, they have to import this choice. And in here we're going to choose add choice. We're going to say add, we're just going to say addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So that's the box. And now we're gonna have a new option data, and that's our first number, second number. If you want, you can have a third, fourth, up to you. So that's it. Now we can just close this off, close the list, and now we want to create a description. So we're gonna call this, and we're gonna say performs a math operation with two numbers. And now get name, we're going to call this just math. Alright, so now we need to get implementing the actual math logic. So first of all, we just want to add a suppress warning here. Just say suppress warning unused, because the way we've implemented it, we use the auto/adder, which we built using class graph. All right, so let's close this off, and in here we're going to do string operation, and then we're going to do operation. In here we're going to do event.get option. So this is going to get our option. It has to be the correct name, or will work operation. And here we're going to do option mapping get a string, and then we're going to do the same number for it can be a double. So first number is going to be get as double, and then we're going to do the second number. Now check if it's null. If the option is null, I'm going to say invalid input and return the statement. Return, so the command will stop there. And informal means it's just a way of the Discord sending you a message which you can only see and nobody else can see. So integer basically means can you do a number? Yeah, we'll try number, and then we'll see. Number should be fine. And now we're going to implement the actual logic. So we're going to say double result, and in here we're going to use a switch statement, and then operation, subtraction, multiply, and division. For division, we're going to just change this a bit, and in here if second equals 0, you can't divide by 0 because that will give you a math error, and that should be fine. Invalid operation because we haven't supplied that, and then we're going to try reply with our result. So event.result, and if you want, you can set this as informal. You can also make this in the embed, but we're going to go through that in the next episodes, inshallah. So let's set true. So now bot. Just before you do that, when I head over to your auto/adder, call the send/commands method, because for some reason it wasn't there before. That means our command wasn't being registered and sent to Discord. And then you want to head over to your bot and just run it. So I added a plugin called application and a main class, my Gradle, because I'm running IntelliJ off an external SSD, so it didn't allow me to do that. Now, because it takes a while for it to load in a server, I'm just going to run it from DMs, and I'm going to show an example. So 5, and our second number will be 5, and we should get a result of 10.0. Now we're going to see if we can do double. So we do 5.5, 5.5, we should get an answer of 11. So that's pretty much it. We can see our command is working. So in the next episode, we're going to get started with embeds, and then we're going to also implement the test utilities for this math command, as in the unit testing of this math command. For that's not going to be in this episode. So hope you had a great day. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and peace out.